Introducing the Milwaukee 247322 M12 Force Logic Press Toolkit, a compact powerhouse redefining efficiency and convenience in the world of plumbing. Engineered for professionals, this tool combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a game-changer for any job site. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a durable M12 Force Logic Press tool, 2 reliable M12 red lithium batteries, a multi-voltage charger, and a sturdy carrying case. Designed to handle pressing needs from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, it delivers consistent, versatile performance for various applications. One of the standout features of this tool is its lightweight and ergonomic design, weighing just under 3 pounds. This ensures ease of handling, reducing hand fatigue while maintaining precision during extended use. The Milwaukee 2473-22 employs advanced hydraulic technology to deliver up to 5,400 pounds of force, ensuring secure, professional-grade connections every time. Plus, with the built-in auto cycle feature, it guarantees a full press every single use, enhancing reliability and reducing the chance of user error. Battery life is crucial, and the red lithium batteries included in this kit do not disappoint. They offer longer run times and more power, ensuring your tool is ready whenever you need it. Whether you're tackling a quick repair or an all-day project, the all-day operation is guaranteed with the additional battery and quick charging. Ease of use extends further with its one-handed operation capability. This enables you to work efficiently in tighter spaces, often inaccessible to traditional tools.